Welcome to Kids Videos.
The story of a cursed princess. Once upon a time, there lived a prince named Tokias. Tokias's father was very ill. One day, he called his son to his bedside and said, "Son, I am growing weaker every day. So, I think it's time I give it to you," and saying that he gave him a horn. Tokias asked his father, "Father, this is an ordinary horn. What will I do with it?" His father explained, "Son, this is no ordinary horn. If you put it in your ear, you'll be able to hear the other person's thoughts. This will help you a lot." A few days later, Tokia's father died. Tokias thought to himself, "There is nothing else for me here. I will travel for some time and look for some work on the way." Saying this, he went away carrying his father's horn. After traveling for several days, he finally reached a palace. There he met the owner of the palace, a giant man with long hair. He requested the giant to give him some work. The demon said, "If you can cook well, you can cook my food." He impressed the giant by making a very tasty dinner, and so he was hired. One day, when Tokias was wandering around the palace, he found his way into the cellar. As he came closer, he heard someone crying. He searched the basement and found a beautiful girl tied to a pillar. "Who are you? Why are you tied like this?" Tokias asked the girl. She replied, "My name is Cinderella and I am the princess of this beautiful kingdom. The demon killed my father, the king, and then took me captive. Please help me." He felt sorry for the princess, but admitted, "What can I do? I am just an ordinary man and he is a giant. How can I overpower him?" Tokias was very sad because he could not find any way to help the princess. One day he decided, "I have nothing to lose. I must use the horn of the father and see if I can hear the giant's thoughts." As he raised the horn to his ears, he heard the giant thinking, "I think the cook has found out about the princess. Tomorrow I will eat it for breakfast. Till then I have to make sure he doesn't know that the secret of my strength is my hair." Tokias was pleased to know that the giant would be unable to do him any harm without his long hair. So, that night he entered the giant's bedroom and cut off his hair while he slept. The next morning, when the giant awoke, he felt very weak and soon realized that his strength was gone. Knowing that Tokias would now be able to easily defeat him, the weakened giant gathered his belongings and fled the palace. As soon as Tokias learned that the demon had escaped, he ran to the cellar and freed the princess. At last, the curse of the giant man was lifted and the place was transformed into a magnificent palace. Soon, Tokias married the princess and became the king of that kingdom.
इस कहानी से हमें यह सीखने को मिलता है कि समर्पण और सहयोग से ही हमें सफलता मिलती है। ऐसी और मोटिवेशनल वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को कृपया लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स।